Hello guys, welcome to Vlogmas. Are you excited for Vlogmas? He's not. So I've actually filmed a lot of vlog clips over, oh my god, the last almost 2 weeks. I'm embarrassed to say, and I haven't put up a vlog. So what I'm gonna do for Vlogmas Day 1 is kind of catch you guys up on what was happening for the last couple of weeks. I've basically been living in this robe that I got in my FabFitFun box. This is from, I think it's Summer and Rose, but this is the most comfy, warm robe. And the best part is it's actually getting cold in Alabama. Like, our days are in the 40s right now, and I love it because we never get to experience this. So if you guys have any recommendations, questions, anything you'd like to see for Vlogmas, let me know. I asked on Instagram too, and I'll definitely be doing some declutters. I'll do some hauls and some of my regular stuff kind of thrown in there, and we'll just make it a little bit more vlog style and very laid back, very fun. I'll try to do some Christmas stuff, but you have anything that you really want to see, please let me know. I'll definitely add that to my Vlogmas list. I made a list of everything I want to do each day, and I'm trying to get like one day ahead so that hopefully I don't miss any days. And I actually didn't do advent calendars this year, which I'm like kind of sad about, but at the same time, like I feel like they are just a little bit wasteful because I don't know, half the time I don't use half of what's in there. So I decided to be a little bit more frugal, but I may go pick up some more affordable advent calendars this weekend. And so if so, I'll open those later on, like some 12 Days of Christmas ones. I want to see if Aldi has the wine one, and I may pick up the Target one too, but just let me know what you want to see. So let's take a look at what's been going on the last couple weeks. I am living in this robe. This is what I got in my FabFitFun, and it is the coziest thing ever. So I wanted to show you this amazing package I got. So Grande Cosmetics sent me this package because I'm going to do a little virtual event, or I'm going to attend a virtual event tomorrow, and they sent me this package ahead of time, and oh my god, I'm so excited. So first off, they put this in here which tells about these two sets. So if you guys would like to check them out, that one's available at Ulta. This one's available at Sephora. They're grande lashes in both. It is amazing. So the little gift sets are a time to get it. If you want to grow your lashes, I swear it really, really works. So I do recommend it. I'm getting back into the habit of using mine again because my lashes are, I don't know, like, I feel like it's just been so long and my lashes need a little love. So they have this little card in here, and the sets are amazing. So this one has a grande lash, grande brow, and then a little tiny grande lash. You could definitely like split this up, put it as a stocking stuffer, or definitely give it as a gift or buy it for yourself. And then this one's all about beauty sleep. So it's got the lip plumper grande lash, and then also it's got this turban towel in there. But look how freaking cute. They included this little bottle of champagne. This is Prosecco, and then this little Swell champagne flute. Like, are you kidding me? This is so cute. This is perfect. Thank you to Grande for sending this. So that's it for now, and I will talk to you guys later. Good morning, guys. It is now Thursday. This week is just flying by because I was basically a lump of laziness on Monday and Tuesday. So yesterday I did... Yes, baby. It's not closed all the way. It just pulled two. Come in. Hey. Come in. Do you want to come in? Okay. So yesterday I filmed my weekly wind down. I'm still living in this robe. I swear I've changed the clothes underneath. But I washed my hair yesterday. That was a big accomplishment for me. And film my wind down. I also filmed my little skincare afterwards. I'm gonna edit both of those today. I have a picture to post on Instagram. I don't even know if I got a good one. We'll see. And all I can say is Prosecco that they sent me from Grande Cosmetics hit a little harder than my regular wine. So I got up pretty late today. I made a mess. I'm always making messes. I'm sure there's a mess over there too.
I broke a few hearts or two, a couple too many times. I let good things go up in flames. They blow up like dynamite. They If I'm being honest, no, I got a problem. No one made me wanna change. Then there was you, it feels so new. I just wanna get this right. No, I'm not a role model. Nothing ever seems to last. Baby, now that I got it, I'll be better with you. I'll be better with you. Now that I got it. No, I'm not a role model. That I got it. Can't help myself, I like myself way more when you're by my side. Just stay the night, it's been a while. You're not like those other guys. If I'm being honest, you're all that I wanted, cause you make me wanna change. I broke a few hearts or two, now I'm gonna get this right. No, I'm not a role model. Nothing ever seems to last. Baby, now that I got it, I'll be better with you. I'll be better with you. Now that I got it.
Coffee time. Good morning, guys. So as you saw, my coffee's being made. It is Monday and I have not been vlogging. I actually have been kind of slumming it the past couple of days. I don't know, I'm kind of like in a depressive mood and I don't really know what it is. Like it's kind of chilly here, but it's not like, you know, full on winter by any means. It's still bright and sunny outside. So I'm probably gonna get outside some today, but I've just been feeling low. It comes and goes, honestly, but like this is the kind of stuff where you just put on the clothes from yesterday and you put on your big robe and you just go to the couch. So I'm not like doing terrible, but it's just, you know, I need to do better. Even like Saturday, I didn't even do skincare once. Like that's crazy. This collagen that I'm taking is pretty similar to the, oh my God, what's the other one I was using? Christ on a cracker. Shit. I cannot remember what it was, but the other collagen I was using, I'm gonna remember it in a moment. Anyway, so I went ahead and put that in my coffee first, and this collagen's not bad, but I do like the other one a little bit better. I don't know if I was just used to it. Putting my syrups in. Really, the only thing that I don't like about this one is that it's harder to stir in. If anything would melt it properly, you would think it would be hot black coffee, but it still gets like really clumpy, and like there'll still be clumps at the bottom and like that, and you have to like really stir it around to try to get it to melt. I didn't have that problem with the other one. Oh my God. Vital Proteins, holy shit. So I really like Vital Proteins. I think I'll get it again, but this one's okay. Like it's not terrible by any means. Just putting in a little half and half, and using skinny syrups. I'm mixing pumpkin cinnamon roll and pumpkin cheesecake. Pumpkin cheesecake has barely any flavor. If you happen to like skinny syrups and wanted to try it, you have to use like twice as much as other flavors because it's just a very mild flavor. So I actually had, I think, a couple questions. Not everybody, I promise. A couple people asked me about my supplements and what I take, so I thought I would do my little thing. It's empty. I need to refill it. This is from Port and Polish. I really like this because it's cute. I can throw it in my purse if you're ever traveling. Like obviously it's super sleek and perfect, but you also have a mirror. Oh no! I threw an orange on the ground. So yeah, if you're ever traveling, you have a mirror in your bag with your supplements. So I thought I would fill up my little supplement doohickey and tell you guys what I'm taking, because somebody was asking about supplements. So I'm gonna tell you this. I've been taking this cayenne, but I can't promote it because I don't know that it's really doing anything. But it's supposed to like do something with a receptor in your body for your metabolism. I don't know. I'm not gonna say, ooh, you need to take that. If you guys have ever done that, I'm not talking about the cayenne diet with lemon juice and syrup and water. But just cayenne is like, it has this ingredient in it that is supposed to boost your metabolism. But I don't know, maybe it's just not strong enough. But we're gonna use it up. I'm also gonna put my supplements for the day out. So I have my thing completely full. I've been taking Uber Energy. I really do like this because I have like a heart murmur and arrhythmia, like a mild, like non-life-threatening arrhythmia, but it's really annoying. It can make me feel like really bad, like I'm dying. So I started with one of these because I wanted to make sure that it wouldn't give me a reaction, and I do not feel like my heart goes crazy using this. So I really like it, and I am using both capsules during the day. So I kind of organize these a little bit because what I'm taking kind of fills it up. I like to get everything all situated. St. John's wort and L-theanine, both are for mood health. I started taking them when I was having some severe anxiety, and it actually seemed to help it go away. Like, it's not a miracle, but it did help ease the symptoms, and I feel like when I take these consistently, I have less, you know, like fluctuations, and I don't get as depressed. Like right now, my depression is like very manageable, but I can tell you this, I'm not a naturopath or anything like that. I just took a chance on these and I feel like they helped me, but obviously like everyone's different. Some people need you know, medication from, you know, with a prescription from a doctor, and there's nothing wrong with that. And I support like anybody getting the help that they need. I just found that these did enough for me that I was good, but by all means, you know, talk to a doctor if you need to. Definitely support that. I'm just glad that I found something that seems to have helped me. And you know what, if it's like a placebo effect, by all means, it's still working, so I don't mind if it's just in my head. And I got these, all of these Spring Valley ones are from Walmart, which you've probably seen. They're all really affordable as well, so you know, you can't beat that. Also, if you happen to try the cayenne, I would recommend not having it with coffee. I'm not gonna take that one right now. You do get a little burn in the stomach. It actually has like a Scoville rating, like if you're familiar with peppers and stuff. Each cayenne capsule is rated for 40,000 STU Scoville thermal units. Standard method to use to rate the heat of peppers. So yeah, I don't know if you know about that. 40,000, it's just a little burn in the stomach. So I just put in, this is just a generic allergy pill. I think it's generic Claritin. So I also just added that in there. So all I have to do every day is just take them. But I usually wait, like I'll have my coffee, wait a little bit, and then take all my supplements and drink lots of water. So I'm just gonna put these to the side for the moment, but then I have everything set up so I don't have to worry about it. Even though I'm at home, I still like doing this because like literally I don't have to fuss with all the bottles. I do it once a week and I just open my little compartment up and down them and I'm good. All right, so it is coffee time for me. I'm gonna put my little beaker with my supplements, and I'll take those in a little bit, and I'm just gonna chill for a bit before I get started doing things. I tried to work in my planner yesterday for this coming week to just write down some things that I wanted to do. I really should have washed brushes like Saturday so that by now they would be completely dry, but I still need to clean brushes. Like that's something I have to do. And I may have to just like use whatever other brushes I can find and just get them washed because I feel like they need a deep clean. I hid Zach's phone. Did you find it?
No.
Why?
Stop playing the noise.
It's taco time. We have the meat. We have the chef. We have the lettuce and the tomato. Oh, I did it again. Sally! Hi! You want some of this pie if I heat it up?
Sure. Are you gonna put that in the microwave?
Yeah. What?
Oh my god.
What?
Okay.
Do you not want some?
Are you really gonna put that in the microwave? Lord.